why we also keep telling you to look at previous year questions. So in your course also we have embedded the free crash course for PSIR, wherein previous year questions ke answers are discussed. Very important to go through that. This paper is another example. You will see questions repeated. Discuss the main limitations of comparative method to the study of political science. So this was in fact a previous year question. ठीक है, और recent time में ही आया था, I think 18, 19 या 20 में आया था. The question says, discuss the subject matter of comparative politics, outline the limitations of comparative politics. What are the main challenges faced by developing countries in the era of globalization? Previous year question, this was in 2020. So it's not even long back. ठीक है, question क्या है? Critically examine the process of globalization from the perspective of countries of the global. Right? ये question क्या कहता है? Discuss the role of social movements in strengthening the democratic processes in developing society. 2016 का question जहाँ पे similar points जो है हमने आगे रखे थे. This was called comment on the decline of political parties and examine whether new social movements can be alternative strategies to link the government and the society. Now this said, describe the composition. Right? Composition मतलब कौन compose करता है, कौन इसके members etc. Composition of the International Court of Justice, ICJ, World Court भी इसको बोलते हैं, ये Peace Palace में, ठीक है, located है ये, ठीक है. और ये कहता है कि आपने डिस्कस करनी है इसकी voluntary jurisdiction. बहुत exact question. This was in fact a 2019 का question, which got repeated again. And again this was covered, this was crash course का lecture 27 जिसके अंदर ये पूरा कराया हुआ था. Question says, discuss the efficacy of global conventions to combat international terrorism. बहुत पसंद है. International terrorism is again one topic जो कि UPSC में time and again आता है. Again 2014 में there was a question, in fact बाद में भी आए हैं similar questions. I done one of this जिसमें बोला गया था कि UN has failed to deal with transnational terrorism.